Let me show you how to build a raised garden bed without any tools or fasteners. These are concrete planter blocks, and they are the key to building this raised bed. You will need to make sure you pick up at least 4 of these blocks, but if you get some extras, you can do some really cool stuff. The other key to this project is to pick up some 2x6s. Now, I would suggest getting at least the 8-foot long, but you can always get longer. This design works really nicely because once you have the shape you like, the wood literally just slides into place. It doesn't require any screws or nails. Once you have everything lined up, just move your concrete block in so it kind of locks everything in place and the wood is not going anywhere. And these blocks are designed so that you can actually double them up, maybe even triple them up, and you have a really nice structure right behind it or to the side or whatever you'd like. I would also suggest putting some rebar, some metal, down in these holes right here so it keeps everything nice and sturdy and there's no chance of knocking it loose. Now maybe you're thinking, wait, you said you didn't need any tools. How in the world did you make these cuts? Well, most of the big box stores are happy to make the cuts for you as long as they don't have to make a ton of them. Now in this pattern here, this would be a 2x6 in size, but you could make a 2x2, a 4x4. You could actually have it where it comes out, over, in, back, over, and just make some weird design that looks really cool. And my favorite part about this whole setup are actually the blocks. They look almost like a medieval castle type block. In fact, they're actually called Oldcastle. So go look for them. Also, don't forget, you're gonna need some soil for this. And judging by this 2x6 size, you're probably gonna need 3 to 4 bags.